everyone, welcome to The Explorer. I'm Miss Jane.
I'm Huan Pang.
Today we will look at reading comprehension. It is the same passage, the farmer and the sons. Please take out your vocabulary book. I want you to take out this paper. Remember last week you already read this passage, so please take it out. So let's read the passage one more time. A farmer has 3 grown-up sons. They always quarrel among themselves. They are advised by their father to live in peace, but it has no effect on them. He is worried about their future. One day, the farmer falls seriously ill. His sons are summoned to his bedside. Then they are asked to collect a handful of sticks, which they do at once. The sticks are tied into a bundle. Then the 3 sons are asked to break the bundle one by one. They try hard to break the bundle, but none can do it. Later, the bundle is untied by the farmer, and his sons are asked to break each stick. They do so quite easily. Their father said, "My dear son, you cannot break the sticks as long as they are tied together, but you can break each single stick quite easily. They are strong in bundle, but become weak when they are separated from one another. So, never forget that united we stand and divided we fall." This has a deep effect on the farmer's sons. They give up quarreling and begin to live in peace. Alright, so well done. I hope that you can understand the passage well because you're going to answer a few questions about this passage. So next, take out your composition comprehension book.
Take out your composition comprehension exercise book. Answer the questions below. Okay, so write this instruction into your exercise book. Answer the questions below. Leave a line and write sentence number 1. How many sons does the farmer have? Write the question and read at the same time. How many sons does the farmer have? Ask the question with does. The verb have, base form verb. Okay, so when you answer afterwards, you will have to write subject, the farmer, and the verb is has, H-A-S, no more have. Okay, so the farmer has. Right, check and see how many sons does he have. Okay, you can find the answer in your passage. First line, first paragraph, first line. Okay, you have to take out your passage. And remember, take out your passage and you check. The farmer, subject, verb has. Okay, find your answer on your own. Okay, so that's question number 1. Leave a line, question number 2. Now, if you think that I'm too fast, what you can do is to pause. 停一下, write your answer first, then only you continue with question number 2. So you have to leave a line. Question number 2. What does the farmer advise his sons to do? Okay, what does the farmer advise his sons to do? Advise means 劝告. So 那个 farmer 劝告他的孩子，劝他孩子做什么? Okay, so I've given you answers here. A, B, C, and D. Can you please read all the answers on your own? And then you choose the correct answer and write it into your exercise book. Okay, I repeat the question. What does the farmer advise his sons to do? Advise means 劝. 那个 farmer 劝告他的孩子，劝他孩子做什么? Can you read the answer? Alright, A, B, C, and D, and find your answers. Alright, on your own. Leave a line. Question number 3. What happened to the farmer one day? What happened to the farmer one day? Okay, check and see what happened. Okay, you can find the answer in the passage, the second paragraph, 第二段. One day, what happened to the farmer? 他生病了，对吗？他很严重的生病了，病倒了，很严重了。Okay, so check the answer. Question number 3. The answer is found in the second paragraph. Can you please write on your own? 看第二段自己找答案。有一天什么事发生？Leave a line. Question number 4. When the farmer's sons are summoned to his bedside, what does he ask them to do? Okay, so you need to copy the question and read the question as well. When the farmer's sons are summoned to his bedside, what does he ask them to do? Okay, so are summoned 就是被吩咐、被叫去他的床旁边那边。Alright, 所以他生病了，他不能起来，所以他被叫，那些他的儿子被叫去吗？ Alright, okay, so what does he ask them to do? He refers to the farmer. So 那 farmer 叫他们做什么？ Okay, you take a look at the passage, paragraph 2. So he, subject. So when you write your answer, straight away, you write subject, he, verb, asked. A-S-K-S. Okay, ask the question with does, male S, as I ask. Afterwards, you have to write the S. He asked, A-S-K-S. He asked them to, 他叫他们 Okay, or he asked his sons to, 也可以，他叫他的儿子做什么 Find your answer now in paragraph 2. 第二段看一下，他叫他们做什么？收集一些的木材，对吗？ Okay, a very simple answer. He asked them to collect a handful of sticks. Full stop, that's all. Okay, alright, answer the question. Don't copy everything that you read from the paragraph. Alright, I say it again. When the farmer's sons are summoned to his bedside, 被吩咐被叫去他的床边的时候 what does he ask them to do? 他叫他们做什么 See, so when you write your answer, he, subject. Okay, verb, ask. A-S-K-S. Them, to. Okay, and you write the answer. He asked them to find, collect. Okay, and your ask no ed, okay? 它不是被他是他叫 He asked A-S-K-S them to collect a handful of sticks 叫他们去收集叫他们去找给一把的 sticks 就是木材树枝给 this That's the answer for number 4 Leave a line Number 5 Can the 3 sons break the bundle of sticks? Bundle 是一捆。Okay, 拿到树枝回来 the farmer tie the sticks into a bundle. Right now, okay, then he asked them to break the bundle of sticks. So my question for number 5 is, can the 3 sons break the bundle of sticks? So your answer is yes or no. So if your answer is yes, the 3 sons can break the bundle of sticks. If your answer is no, then you will have to say no. The 3 sons cannot break the bundle of sticks. Can you hear me? Alright, so you listen to me again and you answer. 这个3个孩子可以不可以熬断那一捆的 sticks? If the answer is yes, then you have to write this way. Yes, comma, the 3 sons can break the bundle of sticks. If the answer is no, then you have to say no, comma, the 3 sons cannot break the bundle of sticks. Cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot break the bundle of sticks. Okay, so that's for question number 5. Think and write. You can actually find the answer. Alright, on your own, take a look at your book, okay, your passage, and you can find the answer there. Alright, leave for 9. Question number 6. When the bundle of sticks is untied, can his sons break them? When the bundle of sticks is untied, untied 被松开，所以那一捆的木柴被松开的时候 ，can his sons break them？ 他的孩子可以不可以咬断 ？Can you remember? Check and see. 被松开的时候可以不可以咬断呢？ So again, your answer is yes or no. Okay, so you listen to me. If your answer is yes, then you will just write yes. His sons can break them. If your answer is no, no, his sons cannot break them. 这样罢了 cannot, C-A-N-N-O-T, cannot break them. So which is the correct answer? You write on your own. 不需要抄前面的 when the bundle of sticks is untied， 不用抄了，只是写后面的可以不可以。如果可以，你就讲 yes, his sons can break them。不可以就是 no, his sons cannot break them。Question number 7. You listen to me first, then only you write. Alright, this is not really a question, but it is a sentence where you have to complete it. Okay, so there are 2 blanks that you need to write the answer. When the sticks are tied together, they are your answer, one word answer. But when they are separated from one another, they become what? Okay, the meaning of a sentence is that 当那些 sticks 一支一支的木柴绑在一起，被绑在一起的时候，它们是怎么样的？它们是不是很强的 ？OK， 强怎样讲 ？But when they are separated， 但是被松开的时候，被分开的时候，它们就变得什么样？很弱了，对吗 ？They become raw. Find in your passage the 4th paragraph 第4段，看一下，很强的时候叫什么？很弱的时候叫什么 ？Okay, so check and see where is the word. Okay, 一个字吧哈，强，然后 one more 很弱 ，that's the opposite. Okay, so copy the sentence and write the answers, in the blanks given. Leave a line. Question number 8. Okay, the question: what is the effect of the farmer's action on his sons? Okay, so you have to listen to me. Okay, what is the meaning of this question? Farmer's action 就是那个农夫的行为 ，effect 就是后果。Okay, 有什么后果？他的行为对他的孩子有什么后果？有后果吗？他的行为是他教他们去拿那个 sticks and then tie together, right? Ask them to break it. And then after that, when they cannot break it, he asked them to untie, right? The handful of sticks and then break them again. And finally, they managed to do so. So 这个是他的 action， 就是他的行为，他做的东西。So 对他的孩子有什么后果呢？ So 后果是什么？他的孩子就永远不会再吵架了，对吗？就一起好好的生活。Alright, so that is the effect. So where can you find this answer? This answer is found in the last line, last paragraph, last line. Check and see. They give up quarreling and begin to live in peace. Okay, so you can just copy the whole sentence, but I want you to tell me who are they. So 那个 they 你就放 his sons. Okay, his sons, 他的孩子 give up quarreling 就不再 quarrel 了，不再相骂了 and begin to live in peace。这个是那个 farmer 的行为弄到的后果，就是他们不再吵架了。Okay, so that's the answer, and please write your answer subject, the farmer's sons or his sons. Subject, verb, give up quarreling and begin to live in peace. Okay, so that's the answer for number 8. So if you listen to me, you'll definitely be able to write this answer. Leave a line. Number 9. Which of the following best explain the meaning of united we stand, divided we fall? Alright, Chinese, the meaning of this word, this alright, phrase, united we stand, divided we fall means 团结就是力量。Okay, so 这一个意思是哪一个呢？ A or B or C? So I want you to read on your own. Okay, please read on your own and choose the correct answer. So there are A, right, B, the 3 answers here, A, B or C. So please choose the correct answer on your own and read first, okay, before you write the correct answer. Question number 10. Okay, your own answer. Do you think it is good to quarrel among siblings? Give a reason for your answer. Okay, can you understand the question? Do you think it is good to quarrel among siblings? 他是问你 quarrel 就是相骂 good or not good to quarrel among siblings. Siblings means 兄弟姐妹。如果兄弟姐妹吵架好吗？ So of course the answer is no. Okay, so no, it is not good to quarrel among siblings. 要写长的。Okay, so the first answer, no, comma, it is not good to quarrel among siblings. So that's for the first part of your answer. No. 兄弟姐妹相骂是不好的。Okay, so you don't have to write do you think, no need. Just write no, comma, it is not, 加个 not, not good to quarrel among siblings. Okay, the next part of the answer is give a reason. 给一个理由。为什么你讲不好呢？ So the answer below 在下面写 this is because 这个是因为要写 this is because 这个是因为 Now you have to think 如果兄弟姐妹相骂不好为什么 Okay, 你可以想一个答案给我吗？ Alright, so I don't give you the answer first. I just want to listen or to read your answer and see whether you have given a good answer or not. Alright, okay, so try and write your answer on your own for question number 10. 兄弟姐妹不要 okay, 就是不要相骂不好的为什么不好 This is because okay, you write your own answer. Okay, try. Homework to be sent this week are the answers to all the questions from number 1 to number 10.
That's all for today's lesson. Thank you. Subscribe the Explorer for more lessons. Have a nice day.